righty, Kilo Mustang drawing one of the two buys for round one. 14-car field on 16-car ladder. Kilo Mustang taking the left lane on a buy run. Run what you brung. Hope you brung enough. Free money. No entry. And he's just going to idle through there. Alrighty, next pair. Tube chassis. Roots blown Ford Mustang. I believe that's a Ford. Full-blown Pro 275, whatever you want to call it. No-time grudge car, left lane. Big Ford Fairmont in the right lane. All I got to say is the Mustang better not have any tire shake. Pyrotechnics. Who you like? You think the Fairmont's got anything for the Mustang? Fairmont jumped the tree. Mustang didn't budge. Just turned the tire over on a hit. Fairmont gave one away. Brian Schrader in the left lane in the Kung Fu Panda. Pontiac Firebird right lane. 969. Once again, Schrader in a big no-time car in the right, left lane. Round one. Round one, Streetcar Braggin Rights, Small Tire Braggin Rights. Run what you brung. Friday night special. Free entry, free money. I'm going to take a left lane again. Right lane can earn it, though. Any tire shake, right lane's probably going. How about those fireworks? That's pretty nifty. Pyrotechnics, I should say. Woo, look at that purge. That thing's 75 foot in the air. Air's getting right here at Darlington Dragway tonight. Pick one to ride. I'm going to Kung Fu Panda. I don't think a tree ever budged. I'm not sure if that was a misfire or what. No wind light. No wind light in the right lane. No wind light in the left lane. I'll have to get some info on that. Both of them could be done. Looks like Schrader's car may have lunged the bulb just a little bit when he got on the two-step, and the old Pontiac Firebird was gone. Knew he had to go. Crew Chief Robert Hayes, unsure if there was a winner or not. Schrader's car didn't think Schrader's car was in the right gear selected, but the other Pontiac was gone. So we'll have to see. Not sure if that's a double DQ. No win light was shown. We may be discussing it now. Hey, rerun. That's what he just said. Come back as rerun. All right, Willie Dog says rerun. Bring them back and rerun them. Schrader's car's going to have to cool off a minute, I know. All right, straight out of money. Nitrous-powered Ford Mustang, right lane. The Goins machine's going to be in the right lane in a white, possibly turbocharged Ford Mustang by the way the exhaust pipes are. Once again, looks like we're going to have a rerun from that pair. Once again, a straight out of money Ford Mustang, right lane, the Goins machine, left lane. Run what you brung. Oh, got a big pair coming up next. Big pair coming up next. Jeff Miller in the QA1, Bumblebee, Salty B, Rear Morrison Corvette. Woo, it's going to be a good one. Neither car seen the racetrack today. Miller and them ain't been here 20 minutes probably. All righty, here we go. Straight out of money, right lane. Goins machine, left lane. machine can't hold a two-step or a trans brake. Right lane's gonna be victorious. It ain't been pretty, but we got a couple win lights so far. This ought to be a good one. Salty B, a Rare Morrison nitrous-powered Corvette, and the Bumblebee, the OG Bumblebee in a QA1 machine. Screw blower on top. Patrick Miller calling the shots. All right, looks like we're doing a little touch-up on the starting line. All right, are we getting ready to light them up? Salty B Corvette, Rare Morrison power, right lane. And of course the OG Bumblebee, QA1 on the door, NGK spark plugs, Icon, Poly EFI. Here we go. In this one, who you like? Neither car been on a racetrack tonight. Patriots up next. Got a bad draw. Drew Kevin Mullis. Salty B making it look easy. Troubles for the Miller camp in the left lane. They'll be concentrating on the main event tomorrow. Salty B running on down through there, getting out of it early. That rear Morrison powered machine. Alrighty, another huge one coming up. Couple of the fastest cars on the property. The Kevin Mullis. Right here in that, I believe it's a Ford Galaxy. Don't quote me on that. And of course, the beautiful Patriot Camaro. Pat Music Power. Robert Hayes did a lot of work on the Patriot. Ought to be a good one. Which one you like? Mullis had the hood on earlier tonight, but it's not there now. I don't know if they had some movement going on or what. Here we go. Nitrous versus turbocharge. Once again, David Kelly in the Patriot left lane. TKM Performance, right lane, the man himself behind the wheel. I'm not sure if that's his own personal car or not. He does a lot of driving. I'll have to ask him. This ought to be a doozy. Turbo car in the left lane is going to win the Pedal Fest. Turbo car in the left lane, TKM moving on. Or right lane, going to win the Pedal Fest. Alrighty. Allison Collision Center Machine, right lane. Beautiful iridescent purple. And the Virus Corvette with that monster Fulton power plant on the hood. Alrighty, Billy Gordon's gonna be our final car with the other competition buy, or with the other buy for 16-car ladder. ATI Performance Products on there, Maximum Racing Oil on Gordon's machine coming up next. Salty with space. Salty made a full hit. Jeff Miller did not. A little bit of a staging duel. Boy, the old nitrous, Fulton nitrous powered Virus Corvette just shot down through there, putting flames out the whole way, picking up the wind light. A little close to the center line on the big lane. Billy Gordon, your last buy car. ATI Performance Products, Maximum Racing Oil on his beautiful machine. Gotta be a Pro Charger. Sound like it went into high gear. I hope it didn't hurt it. Billy Gordon. Alrighty, that's going to be a wrap for round one of Run What You Brung. We'll pick you guys up when we get back to round two. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.